This is the Nerf Ultra Pharaoh, which I actually grabbed off my wall right there. It's really cool because not only is it bolt action, but the bolt action is long. So it makes you feel like you're shooting a massive round. Honestly, the entire blaster is really cool, and there's actually a rail underneath, so if you want to, you can even put a grip on it. And the fake muzzle brake on the front makes it look really cool. But the scope is a little bit low, so when you want to aim in, you really have to jam your face down if you want to see out of the scope. Although the performance isn't great, this little pistol can shoot harder than this big sniper. The vibes and aesthetic of this thing are just amazing, which makes it one of my favorite bolt action style Nerf blasters. And the Nerf Ultra Pharaoh is far more reliable than the stupid Nerf N-Series Pinpoint, which uses the stupid Nerf N-Series darts, which don't have an accurate version, compared to the Ultra Dart, which does have an accurate version. God, I hate this stupid thing.